Welcome back to the Good For You Wellness Programs by School Care. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Apps and Activities portion of the program at myCigna. This would allow you to create a walking activity and manually track progress while earning cash incentives. Before we get started, let's start with the basics. The first is that to earn incentives, you must commit to 4 days per week of activity to help you achieve your personal wellness goals. You'll need to follow through at the end of each week in order to earn stars through completion of your activities. Once you've reached 20 stars, you'll earn your reward. 20 stars equals $50. And if you complete 100% of your goal activities each week for 4 weeks, you will earn $50. Don't worry though, if you don't complete all of your activities, you don't lose stars. Just start a new program for the next 4 weeks and begin earning more stars. They are accumulative. If you'd like to learn more about the apps and activities, School Care has Cigna's how-to guide posted on our website. Just use the link in this video. So as we said, the first step is to commit to a minimum of 4 days per week of activity. You start the program by logging into myCigna.com. Navigate to the Wellness dropdown, and under that, select Apps and Activities. You'll then be directed to the Apps and Activities homepage or dashboard. On that page, select Challenges, where the lightning bolt is shown on the left-hand side. You'll then see this screen that says Ready for a Challenge, and click the plus sign next to Create to start your challenge. In this example, we're selecting Go for a Walk. Go for a Walk requires you to manually track activity each week. It does not integrate with either a device or app. Then you'll be prompted to go through a number of other selection screens. You get to choose from your metrics, times per day, minutes per day, miles per day, or in this example, we chose steps per day. Then remember that you need to choose a frequency, how many days per week that you're going to do this activity, at least 4 days per week if you'd like to earn cash incentives, and the number of steps per day that you'll be taking. We chose 5,000 in this example, but there are many more choices to meet you where you are in your path to wellness. Then click Add Activity. You're now back at the home screen, and you can see that you've got the activity started. You haven't completed it yet. What is important to note is that all challenges start on Mondays. So if you create the activity any other day of the week, you will have to wait until the following Monday to begin tracking your activity. The next is the follow-through. At the end of each week, you'll receive stars based on the percentage of activities you completed. So step 1 is to click the plus sign next to Walk for 5,000 steps and record the day of the week that you completed that activity. In this example, we chose Thursday for 5,000 steps and then would click Confirm. What's important to know about the weekly tracking is that your week does run from Monday through Sunday, and Sunday is the last day to track activity completed for the current week. If you wait until the following Monday, you will not be able to track activity for the previous week. The data will show on your dashboard for which days of the week that you completed the activity. We're back at the home page or dashboard for apps and activities, and you can see that after recording activity on Thursday, we are 25% completed for the week for activities because we chose 4 days. And stars will populate. 25% equals 2 stars. Again, this just shows you the 25%, bringing it back to the star breakdown that I showed you at the beginning, and then showing you how that's tracked towards your 20 stars to earn $50. You can also look at the status of your stars at any time by clicking on the rewards where the star is on the left-hand side of your page, and you will also see here how you're moving toward reaching your 20 stars. We hope you enjoy tracking your activity. If you have any questions, need assistance with registering an account, please call Cigna at 1-800-853-2713. For all other questions regarding the School Care Wellness Program, do not hesitate to call Cigna at 1-800-244-6224, or feel free to send an email to goodforyou@schoolcare.org, and we would be happy to provide you with some direction. Have a great day.